Yeah, family, I don't know why. As soon as I start filming and recording in stores, like, everybody flocks around me. They're like, what is this guy doing? Who is this guy? What is he doing? The lane I was just in, listen. It's like a ton of people over there now. Like, they just came from the back of me, the side of me. The freaking ninjas dropped from the roof or on top of me. Like, it was ridiculous, guys. But yeah, that's what's going on so far right now.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Hey, we're gonna call this vlog today Retail Arbitrage, another day, another dollar, right? And honestly, I'm not in the mood to find one-off items right now, so I'm not hitting the Goodwill or any of the bargain stores. What I'm doing right now is I am hitting, can y'all see that sign right there, the Burlington? I haven't been here in a while, so hopefully I can find some stuff here. But, however, I'm looking to find one of the same item a bunch of times, you know? So maybe, had to open the door. Hold on, I gotta open the other door. Hold on, guys. So maybe I find a bunch of items, right? But I get multiple of the same. That's what I'm going for today. Let me get a cart. I have family. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna look for some stuff. I'm gonna let you know if I find some stuff. So in here today, the first place I love going in Burlington is, you guys should know me by now, the home section, the kitchen section, you know, the lawn, the kitchen, the lawn, the just home appliances, home stuff, home, even whether it's outside, indoors, it doesn't really matter. I love the home sections. That's where a lot of the profits are. And to be honest, that's where things sell all year round, family. You gotta imagine, you guys got the stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads, or just both working moms and dads. They order a lot of stuff from Amazon for the house. So look at these. I don't even know what these orange things are right here, but these are worth a scan, because if one of them are good, all of them are good, and I'm gonna take them all. So guys, I'm gonna start to scan. All right, there's a lot of stuff over here. Look, I'm gonna step over this one. Look over there. There's a lot of stuff. Over there. So I'm gonna start scanning, and I'm gonna let you guys know if I find anything. You guys already know. Stay tuned. Miss you guys. Let's get it. Let's get some money. Let's make some money. Let's make some freaking money. All right, guys. So today, so far, it wasn't a great day in Burlington. However, I did find some stuff. None of it's 100% ROI, but that's okay, guys. Let me tell you something. Sometimes it is okay not to find 100% ROI if you're finding fast-selling products. Some of these items I'm selling. Some of these items I'm testing, like this one. But I still bought them all because, I mean, you know, like, I take risks like that. So I kind of bought them. I bought them all just because it was a great BSR. However, the listing itself, the reviews were bad. So let me show you guys a couple of items I got here. All right, so as you can see, I kind of filled up only the top half of my cart. This is one of the first items I found, guys. It's some type of antenna for like a plasma or flat screen TV. It's an antenna, right? So it's going for $7.99, $8. And if I pull out my phone here, guys, I'm gonna show you guys something really fast. If I go back, where is it at? Alright, so I can't even find it, so let me just scan it again. So if I scan this, alright, I'm gonna show you guys the listing I found. Here it is. Alright, you see that it's $425 in electronics, which is about 2,000 sales a month, plus like 2,100 sales a month. But as you can see up here, guys, the reviews are horrible. 2-star reviews, which is a little wary. It's a little scary, but there's only 5 sellers on here, 5 FBA sellers. It's selling for $14.58, guys. So that's not 100% ROI profit, but it's a $6 profit. Spend $8, gonna make around $6. And at that BSR, all of these will sell pretty much as soon as they get in. All of them will sell, like within a day or two of them being in the warehouse, they will be gone, all of them. Now the only thing I'm worried about, like I said, guys, is the reviews. It was a 2-star review, so I don't know if I'll get some returns with these or not, but it's a price I'm willing to take, a risk I'm willing to take, so I'm still gonna buy them. I bought them all just in case, you know, you never know. So that's that, right? So it's not so good. It would have been great if the reviews were higher, but since the reviews are a little bit low, it makes it a risky product. But I'm still gonna send it in. They're perfectly fine. They're brand new, so I'm just gonna test it out. If I lose all my money with it, oh well. It is what it is. I make tons of money, so those are plays I'm willing to risk right there. All right, so the second item are these guys right here. Now the funny thing about these are I cannot sell them new. They're restricted new, so I have to list them as used even though they're new. All right, guys. So let me show you these really quick. So if I go to my favorites here and just find them, where are they? Right here, right? No, that's not them. Okay, like I gotta go to my history, I guess. Alright, where are they? Alright, here they go, guys. Alright, so check this out, guys. I found these. They're selling for, let me show you guys. Hold on, let me get situated here. I'm gonna show you guys. They're selling for $5.99, which is $6, right? These little guys here, they're selling for $6. I have all of them in the cart. I couldn't find any more. So if we go here and check them out, used, they are restricted. You see, I cannot sell them used. $17.63. Look at that. 40,000 in kitchen. 40,000 in kitchen, which is so many sales a month. No worries there. And 4-star rating, guys, which is amazing. So this would have been a knockout product. However, I cannot sell it used. I mean new, so I had to sell it used. And for used, if I put it jot down, it then is not 100% ROI. It's a little bit less than 100%. Buying it for $6 and making about $5.60, guys. So yeah, another product right here that these are definitely gonna sell really fast, but I'm not gonna make 100% ROI, but that's okay because they're gonna sell really, really fast. So I got all of those. They only had 3. If they would have had 20 of them, I would have got them. And this is the last product I have here, guys. This is the last product. Hold on. So this is the last product, guys, which is an onion cutter, right? And I don't know if I'm gonna get this or not. I'm only gonna be making like, I'm spending $12 to make like 7, which is 50% ROI, guys. A little bit higher than 50%, but it has a great BSR and it has great reviews. So actually, I still might buy it because it's gonna sell really fast. It's gonna only make me 50% ROI though. So none of the stuff here is gonna make me 100% ROI, but that's okay, guys, because it all should sell. Besides the little testing antenna thing, that's a little nervous about that, but still should do good. All right. Yeah, family. I don't know why. As soon as I start filming and recording in stores, like everybody flocks around me. I don't know if they're like trying to be sneaky. They're like, what is this guy doing? Who is this guy? What is he doing? Right? So I don't know. I'm trying to like talk to you guys and move, but as you can see, the lane I was just in, listen, it's like a ton of people over there now. Like they just came from the back of me, the side of me. The freaking ninjas dropped from the roof or on top of me. Like it was ridiculous, guys. But yeah, that's what's going on so far right now. I don't know if I'm gonna wrap it up from here, but yeah, family. There it is. Another small haul I'm gonna add to my other haul. It's gonna make me a couple bucks. Nothing in here is 100% ROI, but what matters the most is all of it is gonna make my money make more money. So that's at the end of the day, that's where it's at. Like, so even if I'm spending $6 and I'm only gonna be making 5, my $6 is still gonna bring me back my 6 plus $5. You know what I mean? It's still gonna make me, my money's still gonna make more money. So at the end of the day, it's an investment, which is what the wealthy do. That's what you want to do, guys. All right, yeah, family. So I'm gonna keep looking around. So today I spent about I spent $74, fam. Got some bags with me. Spent $74. You know, not quite 100% ROI. $74 I'm gonna make about in profits. I'm looking at around $60. You know, $60 in profits. 74, yeah, around $60. I only got one thing that was 50% ROI. That was my lowest ROI. The rest of them were like 80-90%. But yeah guys, so dang, I like that truck. Look at that truck right there. That truck is just demolishing my truck. It's gonna make me get a truck. Yeah, that being said, family, it's peace and love. It's raining out here. Alright family, so I just got back home. As you can see, I got some stuff right here. I got some stuff in the living room as well. Wasn't a crazy day. About $60-something in profits today, right? Okay, but you guys gotta understand, sometimes you'll make a lot of money, sometimes you'll make a little bit. This is a little bit of money. It's not nothing major. But however guys, if you do this consistently every day, and I only hit one store, I only hit the Burlington. Back in the day, back when I first started this, I would hit several or multiple stores in one day, guys. And yeah, I would so think about that, triple, quadruple of what I made today. So yeah, but see, in the stores like Burlington, you're not gonna really find a lot of 100% ROI items. So these types of stores, they're still good for buying multiple of the same items. So you can do a lot of shopping at once and just get it all done and over with. You'll have multiple items. It's good for the seller account. It's good for making some good profits, guys. Even though they're not a 100% ROI or higher, you're still gonna be making some good money because a lot of this stuff will fly out the door really, really fast. Yeah, but although my cup of tea is shopping at, you know, Goodwills, thrift shops, things like that, because I like to go for those really, really high ROIs, I will from time to time stop at stores like this just to get those, you know, find one item that they have a bunch of, and I just buy them all, make it simple and sweet and get it all done right away. So yeah guys, there you have it. Yeah, so you already know what it is, family. Make sure, if you're not a part of the family yet, to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 10K. I'm gonna start doing giveaways soon. I'm gonna be giving away money. I'm gonna be giving away money because I just want to help my fam out, and I hope you guys use that money to go flip it and make some more money when I start giving away the loot. Alright family, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to be a part of that giveaway. But anyways, yeah, it's peace and love. If you need the step-by-step videos, if you need to know what you need to sell on Amazon, everything is in the link in the description, guys, along with my music. If you guys want to download the intro song, courses I recommend if you guys need any, if you guys are ready to take it to the next level and do some private label or some Shopify or other stuff like that, course links in the description. You guys can go check it all out. It's peace and love. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.